of them that are what, just like moving?
Yeah, moving, like looking for food basically, or
No,
running out of
they're just
prey.
running around. Two of the bees have just stopped completely and are just sitting around
Yeah, like
outside
off
of
the
the hive. That's at 12 minutes 54 seconds.
I would say there's about like one bee, 1 to 2 bees per like brood, like hatch kind of thing, and then the rest are all like actively moving around. What time is it?
Time is 13:21.
To add syrups.
What would you describe how like a brood cell functions?
Like just like
Bizarre smell.
3 to like 5 brood cells in like a clump together. And then there's like a big group of cells, maybe like 10 of them with like the queen. That's the one thing is like always on. And there's like a group of like
So that's at 14
like
minutes.
6 bees always around them
That's at 14 minutes.
that are standing still.
Um, no, it's cool.
So are we good with like? Are we good, guys, with like the 3? See, there's like group of like 3 elevated cells. The middle one,
Yeah.
like on the bottom,
Yeah.
and then
I thought we arranged the idea of putting the. Oh, it's almost time. We decided to do the ones near the brood cells.
yeah, I'm just saying like the exact ones so you know,
All right.
And then the one right to the right of like that really still bee,
5,
or
4,
like just got bumped over.
Okay.
So it's like, or maybe like one under that group.
Just stick with the ones you guys decided initially.
Okay.
So
Dude, where's the?
basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the camera so it'll still film.
Okay, cool.
And then someone has to reach in and take the lid off. Maybe you could do that. There's little pieces of tape on the edges, so just pull it right out of the frame. And then we'll put it right on.
What do we do? Just like,
There's pieces of tape.
oh, so just like take that off?
Yeah.
Too late. Alright. Alright, so there's just a piece of tape on the other corner too. I think you can see it. There you go. So just like pull it right off the hive. There you go.
Alright, so I'm gonna need this one.
Nice. Perfect. Well done. And I can replace the lid.
Is there any garbage?
Yeah. Thank you. Great guys. So now start watching.
Oh, one of them already found the sucrose solution.
15.
So one
5
of them-
seconds.
Yeah, one of them has its head in the furthest, like the one on the left. So it's been there for like 5 seconds and just, oh, it came back. And it kind of brushed on its antennae.
It kind of.
And another one found the other one. So now there's, both of them have been found.
That's within
There's
30 seconds.
There's like 4 bees kind of trying to get into them. But there's 2 of them with their heads in it. And they're staying in it for like 3 to 5 seconds and then brushing their body with their front legs with like the solution, seems like.
50 seconds.
Some of them are really staying in there for a bit.
A minute.
One of them is like pumping its abdomen as it has its head in it. So it's like 2 pumps per second of its abdomen. And it's been in there for like 15 seconds. Oh, it's coming out now and brushing its abdomen and like thorax and head with its front and back going back in.
This one's sunk almost its entire head in that pot. Another one has gone to replace that one in the pot. It
Now
is
there's
2
a-
minutes.
There's like 9 workers running around the periphery. And there's like a constant flow of worker bees sticking their heads in the honey pots for about like 5 to 10 seconds each. Yeah, and then doing like the rubbing it over their body. And then going out to forage.
Most of the bees have now left the first one.
Yeah. The first, yeah, there's none.
There's none left.
Oh, wait, no, that's
Is it? No. It is 2 minutes 46 seconds.
Yeah, now the first, so the honey
First.
pot on the left seems to be empty. They're kind of checking it out for like a second and coming back out.
Now that they're empty, they're just poking their head in and then removing their head and moving around.
But there's still some coming to the honey pots. They're just spending like a very short period of time in it. Shouldn't we add the solution?
What?
Wasn't that what we just did?
Yeah, we added this.
Oh, I thought we were gonna actually add like the.
I don't think
Or is
so.
that in Italy?
They're not exhibiting any of the fanning behavior.
Yeah.
A lot visiting.
Yeah, there was like a lot of visiting. We like recorded like how long they were sticking their heads in, just like wiping their antennae and asking.
And basically, the more you can record now and like timestamp it, the easier your video analysis.
So now there's 8 of them running around the periphery and climbing the walls.
That's at 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
And but it's still like 5 seconds to run around like the length of the hive. So it's still like the same running rate.
I don't know if you guys did the 1 minute bee behavior at the beginning, but
Should do that.
give it a shot now. Like just sort of describe what the bees when you started and then just
So there's number 18 that looked at both honey pots and spent 1 second at each one. And that's just climbing around the like cells. It's sticking its head in more of the empty cells.
Time was 9 minutes and 42 seconds when she started talking about that bee.
So it's still going around looking at other empty cells. That's on the brood cell. Now I went back to the first honey pot that we added, or second honey pot that we added the solution to. It's going pretty slow. It doesn't look very excited. Climb back onto the brood cells. It's just standing still on the brood cell now. It seems it's cleaning its antennae. Oh, actually, it's cleaning its proboscis.
It's 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
That's so cute. It has its tongue. It's like sticking out its tongue and like wiping it. It was like the one like where we added number
Right.
18. That was really weird. Yeah. So yeah, still just checking out other empty honey pots. Has its head in one, but doesn't seem very excited. Has it been a minute?
It's 6 minutes, 6 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna record another one. Number 13 is right by. Oh, actually, wait, no. Number 20. It just stuck its head in one of the super solution honey pots, the one on the left. Now it's stuck it into the one on the right. about for like a second each again. And now it's just walking around. It's kind of standing on top of the brood cells. Now back into the right honey pot that we added the sucrose solution to. Now it's just walking around the hive. It's wiping its thorax with its middle legs.
7 minutes.
Kind of just chilling around. It's like by the queen now and standing still.
7 minutes, 20 seconds.
Yeah, it's not moving. It's just in that bundle of bees right by the queen now. Not moving. Oh, a bit of movement.
7 minutes,
Yeah, it looks like
30
it's
seconds.
basically just